This is the second tutorial on ER diagram to relational model conversion. We already covered 3 steps of conversion in part 1. Now let's begin with the 4th step of conversion, which is relationships and relationship set. There are 4 types of relationship as one to many to one, many to many, and one to one. Let's see the conversion of these 4 types of relationship into relational schema. First is one to many relationship. Consider one-to-many relationship enroll is exists between the entity set student and course. Attribute of entity set student are roll number, which is a primary key, student name, and class. Whereas attribute of entity set course are course code, which is a primary key, course name, and duration. And date of enroll is the attribute of relationship set enroll. In this case, enroll is a one-to-many relationship exists between entity set student and course, which means that one student can enroll in multiple courses. To convert this one-to-many relationship enroll into relational schema, separate relation is created for all participating entity sets, that is for student and course, and key attribute of many-side entity set is mapped as a foreign key in one-side relation, that is student. And all attribute of relationship set enroll are mapped as an attribute for relation of one-side entity set, that is student. Now, second type is many-to-one relationship. Consider many-to-one relationship set enroll exists between the entity set student and course, but here student is many-side entity set while course is one-side entity set, which means many students can enroll in one course. To convert this many-to-one relationship set enroll into relational schema, separate relation is created for all participating entity sets. Key attribute of many-side entity set student is mapped as a foreign key in one-side relation. All attributes of a relationship set enroll are mapped as attributes for one-side relation course. Now third type is many-to-many relationship. Consider many-to-many relationship enroll exists again between the entity set student and course, which means multiple students can enroll in multiple courses. To convert this relationship set into relational schema, the relationship is mapped as separate relation. Key attribute of participating entity sets are mapped as a primary key for that relation. Attribute of relationship set enroll becomes the simple attribute for that relation, and the separate relation is created for all other participating entity sets, that is student and course. Now the last type is one-to-one relationship. Consider one-to-one relationship set enroll exists between the entity set student and course, which means that one student can enroll in only one course. To convert this relationship set into relational schema, separate relation is created for all participating entity sets. Primary key for relation student can be acts as a foreign key for relation course, or the primary key for relation course acts as a foreign key for relation student. In this way, we have completed the step of ER diagram to relational model conversion. In next tutorial, we will see the case study on the same.